On screen, title card. Narrator, in the next 60 seconds, you'll learn exactly how to see your recently added friends on Facebook, step by step. On screen text, Step 1, open Facebook app. Narrator, first, open the Facebook app and make sure you're logged into the right account. On screen text, Step 2, go to Friends. Narrator, from the home screen, tap your profile picture, then tap the Friends tab. On screen text, Step 3, open your friends list. Narrator, inside your profile, tap Friends to open your full friends list. On screen text, Step 4, filter by recently added. Narrator, at the top, tap Filters or the SOAR icon, then choose Recently Added. On screen text, result, recently added. Narrator, your list now shows friends ordered by when you added them, new list at the top. On screen text, website, Step 1. Narrator, now on desktop, open facebook.com in your browser and sign in. On screen text, website, Step 2, profile. Narrator, click your profile picture or name at the top to go to your profile. On screen text, website, Step 3, friends. Narrator, on your profile page, click the Friends tab below your cover photo. On screen text, website, Step 4, recently added. Narrator, in the Friends section, click Recently Added in the left sidebar or in the top filters. On screen text, website, result. Narrator, your friends are now sorted by when you connected, just like on the app. On screen text, privacy tip. Narrator, remember, privacy settings can affect what you see. Always review your privacy and who can see your friends list settings in Facebook's privacy checkup.